To make cinnamon soy milk, soak 200 grams of organic soybeans and 750 milliliters of water overnight in the refrigerator. I like to use a 1 liter mason jar. The beans will expand and release the hard to digest enzymes into the water, so it is a good idea to add more water or change the water if it gets cloudy. The outer hulls of the soybeans should come off easily as you rub them between your fingers, or the beans have not been soaked long enough. The hulls do not improve the flavor of the milk, so to separate the beans from the hulls, I use a 4 liter storage container and let the heavier split beans fall to the bottom while the hulls float to the top and can be poured off. Soy milk cannot be consumed raw. It needs to be cooked for 20 minutes to an hour to remove most of the bitter grassy bean flavor that is inherent to most dried legumes. Add 10 grams Ceylon cinnamon and 2 medjool dates to a blender top with the strained and dehulled beans and a liter of fresh water. Puree on high for a few minutes, then strain through a nut milk bag into a large pot. I like to wear gloves and squeeze the bag until all the liquid is released from the pulp. Then bring to a boil and simmer for at least 20 minutes or until the bitterness fades. Cinnamon has a strong flavor that covers up the grassy bean flavor but does not remove it entirely, so you can add a little sugar if needed. You also want to skim the surface frequently to remove the gassy foam that collects. When cooking pureed soybeans, it is usual to have a layer of soy stick to the bottom of the pot, so I do not scrape the bottom until the milk is finished cooking and has been strained into a 1 liter mason jar for storage. The pot usually cleans up easily with the layer of soy coming off in one piece. You never want to get your pot boiling hot for too long, or this layer can burn and create an off flavor in the milk. So you want to cook it at a low simmer and not try to rush the process. Cinnamon soy milk should taste like sweet cinnamon and not much else, so it is perfect for coffee or a healthy vegan milk alternative. Stored in the refrigerator, cinnamon soy milk will be at its best for about 3 days.